In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage Gemini privacy settings. By the end, you'll know exactly how to review your activity and automatically remove anything older than 18 months, so your account stays tidy and aligned with your privacy preferences. First, open your Gemini account. Launch the Gemini app or head to the Gemini website and sign in if you're prompted. Give it a moment to load your home screen so everything is up to date before you move on. Next, go to Settings. Look for the gear icon or the Settings option in the menu. This is where your privacy and account controls live. If you see a sidebar or a profile menu, open it and select Settings to get to the right place. Once you're in Settings, choose Activity. This is the hub that shows what Gemini has saved from your use, like your chats, prompts, and related interactions. Think of it as a running history that can help personalize your experience, but it's also something you may want to manage for privacy and storage reasons. Inside Activity, find the option for deleting activity older than 18 months. This control is designed to automatically clear out older items while keeping more recent interactions available for continuity. It strikes a balance between personalization and privacy, removing what's no longer likely to be useful. Click the option to delete activity older than 18 months. When you turn this on or confirm the choice, Gemini will begin removing items beyond that age threshold. This won't touch your recent activity, it focuses only on the older history. Depending on how much you've used Gemini, the cleanup may take a few moments. Keep in mind that deletions are typically permanent, so once items go, they won't be recoverable. Finally, follow the prompts on your screen. You may be asked to review what's being removed, confirm your choice, or acknowledge a short explanation about how auto-deletion works. Read each prompt carefully and confirm when you're ready. If there's a summary screen, take a moment to make sure it reflects what you intend. That's it. You've opened your account, gone into Settings, visited Activity, selected the option to delete activity older than 18 months, clicked to apply it, and followed the on-screen prompts. If you ever change your mind, you can always return to Settings and Activity to review or adjust this control in the future. Managing your Gemini privacy is that straightforward, and taking a minute to set it up today helps keep your data footprint smaller over time.